Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Marisa Valle, 28 years old, married with one child, 8 years old. I'm living at Nunungan Dos, Cagayan City. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the youngest of the family. I am college level, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I worked in Kuwait as domestic helper for 2 years for a couple with 2 children, ages 8 years old and 5 years old. I do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and taking care of their children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will always securing the safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide my family needs, especially my daughter, and to be financially stable in the future.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my mother, and my father-in-law.
If you get hired, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will remind myself that I need this job and I will focus on my work.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. If my work is done, and I will wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Okay, are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer to dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I will promise I will serve your family and do all my best, sir. Thank you.